Good morning to all students. I hope you all are fine. First, write date and day at the uh, top of the chapter right here. Date, today date and day. Okay, at the left side of your book. Now, today I'm going to start a chapter Evolution of Computers. Now, what is the meaning of evolution of computers? It means how the computers evolve in the world. Okay, how they evolve one by one. What is the improvement that occur time to time in case of computers? How they come in the modified form from time to time. Okay, now we will start a reading. Uh, Dear students, you have learned about computers in the previous class. Okay, you have also learned in the previous class, in your third class. Computer is a familiar word for you today. Now everyone know what is a computer? Do you know? Okay. Now what is a computer? Computer is just a machine on which we can do each and everything. But have you ever thought who invented? Okay, who invented the computer? Now underline the word invented. Okay, who invented means who discovered the computer, who was that person who discovered the computer. Now next is this machine is an outcome of labor of a number of minds. Okay, there are so many persons uh, whose name we can take that there are many persons who invented the computer. No particular person can be credited, so we cannot give a credit to a particular person with the invention of computers, but several names stand out in the crowd. Okay, we can include a name of several persons who invented the computer. Now next topic is early counting tools. Early means in the previous time, the tools which we used to count the things. For example, you use your fingers to do a counting. There are five fingers on our hand, and each hand has a five fingers. Okay, we can do a counting. Mostly, you students use a hand for a counting. Okay, since ancient times, people have invented tools for calculation. Okay, if we go back and see what things people use for calculations, they use the tools. Okay, they invented the tools. For example, you can use these stones for counting, and you can use these sticks for counting, and you can use fingers. Okay, and many more things you can use. Early man tied knot in a rope. Okay, in the previous time, they make the knots on the rope, and they count. This knot is one, and this knot is two, and this knot is the third one. They used to like do a counting like this and carved marks on the clay, and sometimes they use stones, and they write the number on the stones, and use those stones for counting. They also used to count with the help of fingers, toes, pebble stones, and these are the various examples you can take to count the things. Now, the next topic is abacus. Abacus means first, it is called a first calculating device. You can also say that is a computer. you can call it a first computer, which is known as a abacus. The first step towards counting was invention of abacus. Okay, first computer that was invented around 3000 years ago in China. Okay, that computer is abacus, and it was invented, you can imagine, 3000 years ago, and it was invented in China. You all students know, in China the disease that spread is a corona. Okay, that country is China. It is a wooden frame. Now you can see the picture of abacus. It is made up of a wooden frame with beads or on parallel wire. Here are the beads, okay, which lie on a parallel line and which can do simple calculation. You do the calculations by just counting these beads. Like you can do addition if there are two beads. Okay, I count from first parallel line two beads and count next two beads from second parallel line. Then I have counted the four beads. Okay, now these are the four beads. This device is used to calculate numbers, okay, at a fast speed, and these beads are very helpful to count the numbers. Abacus is also used in schools as an aid in teaching the numerical system. Okay, you can use this abacus in a schools just for counting. Now, next topic is Pascaline adding machine. Now, in 1642, mathematician Blaise Pascal invented the calculating machine called Pascaline adding machine. Okay, now you can underline this